Hi guys, Anna here with Procida Tile. I'm here to talk about all of that marble looking porcelain, which I'm sure there are a lot of questions about. So what is porcelain? Where does it come from? Is it actually marble because it says marble look porcelain? All these questions I'm going to tap into and make sure that I give you all the knowledge you need to help pick out the best product for yourself. So porcelain is a high body manufactured clay that is put through a extensive high heat system, so that way it is extremely durable. It's cooked at such high temperatures that it becomes one of the most durable products that you can use for your home. We can use it on our floors, we can use it on our walls, we can use it as backsplash. We have the option to use it as countertops now. It's not porous, so absorbency, there isn't any. When you hear marble look porcelain, we have people walk around the showroom all the time and they go, "Is that marble?" And we go, nope, that's porcelain. And they're like, "Oh, well, what is porcelain? What's the difference?" And we just explain the process that porcelain is not a porous product, where marble is a natural stone and it has that amount of absorbency. In order to create those beautiful marble looks that everyone asks us all about, like how do they do that? It looks so realistic. The factories that we specifically order our tiles from, that we ship here and import, are from Italy and Spain. Italy and Spain have just manufactured some of the best machinery in the world when it comes to creating these 3D inkjet processed images that look almost like you're seeing through. It's got layers to the print where it almost looks just like the natural marble and just like the natural stone from the side. Of course, it doesn't go all the way through like a natural stone would, but in terms of looking at the product, it seems as if it does. If you get super close, the pixelation of the product is practically none. If you're working with other materials, there's marble looks from all over the world. The image is pixelated. It doesn't look as realistic. The veins look very fake. They're not as realistic. Italy and Spain, they take natural stone and they try to replicate that look almost identically. You can't even tell it that they aren't the natural marble. We pair the natural marbles with these marble look porcelains all the time, and it just elevates the space and takes it to a whole nother level without having to spend the money on the marble and without a little bit of that maintenance that the marble comes with. So the marble look porcelain, it's become such a high demand for customers, and I just don't see it going anywhere. If you want to stop in and take a look at our huge marble porcelain collection, we import from the best factories in the world. We go hand pick out that material. We're only bringing in the top quality for you guys. We want to make sure everything that you guys have is the best, and what we're giving you is always the best service and best quality always.